Welcome to my channel. Don't run your car. Avoid these maintenance mistakes today. 1. Don't ignore warning lights. If your dashboard light turns on, check it quickly. Small problems can become expensive repairs later. 2. Change engine oil on time. Old engine oil can damage your engine. Always follow the recommended oil change schedule. 3. Check tire pressure regularly. Low or high tire pressure reduces safety and fuel efficiency. Check tires at least once a month. 4. Never skip brake inspection. Strange brake noises or weak braking should never be ignored. Bad brakes can be dangerous. 5. Replace dirty air filters. A clogged air filter makes your engine work harder and lowers performance. Replace it when needed. 6. Keep coolant at proper level. Low coolant can overheat your engine. Always check coolant before long drives. 7. Don't drive with low fuel often. Driving on low fuel can damage the fuel pump over time. Try to refill before the tank gets too low. 8. Rotate tires on schedule. Tire rotation helps tires wear evenly and last longer. Rotate them every few thousand miles. 9. Listen for strange sounds. Grinding, knocking, or squeaking sounds may mean something is wrong. Fix problems early to save money. 10. Wash your car regularly. Dust, mud, and salt can damage paint and cause rust. Keep your car clean inside and outside. Thanks for watching.